I've been waiting for this, but the person who is in charge of that particular Facebook page was sick in the hospital for a while. But now I have a proper dihydrogen monoxide container. Yeah. There we go. Ooh, it's pretty big. Can you read it now? At the back up, there we go. Now you can read it. Yay. Has a little chain thing on it. And of course it says, nope, I have to back up a little. There we go. Oh yeah. Alright, so I got this. And I will be using that at some point.